So Friday, just keeping it simple. Friday in the summer, not trying to hit any home runs, but once again, this 30-minute, guys, does a great job. The bands, a lot of times to where you want to start a contrarian play. So good shorts here. I mean, this started the downtrend, breaking the bands. We know that in the model, you break the bands, you go back to the 200 and or back to pi. That's what you got. Nice failure at the 30 here, a couple of them. Big downtrend yesterday, covered into the lows. And then really just sideways price action. But we noticed this morning we're back towards the upper end of the bands, looking for a lower high relative to this trend. And then the cycle was high. RSI pretty high also. So that covers the trend, right? And trend in the cycle. When you go down to the 15-minute. So we came in and leaned a little bit contrarian short. There's probably an opportunity to get a little bit more aggressive right in here. If this wasn't Friday, I would have just stayed with this trade, been a little bit more aggressive, would have made more money. But just faded it, and then once we took out the 8 here, we got some help from 830 numbers with the CPI, but that happens. You trade the model, you stick to the model and the location. A lot of times we're going to get failures there. I mean, none better than looking at oil like we talked about this morning. I mean, nobody has this on their chart. Regardless of whatever the data is, and you get a failure at pi here, failure at pi here, failure at pi here, failed at the bands on the 30-minute. That's just great edge, as we call it, right? And there's high probability of a lower high there. So great edge. Not surprised we failed. Could probably even, if we take out these lows, make a move back towards somewhere in this tail down here. So if you want to stay short, guys, you can. What was I going to do here? 1 second. 1 second. Just show you guys what that looked like. For those of you that are watching this recap or in YouTube land. Just, this is the only thing we did day trade today that I signaled anyway. All right, first short here, contrarian with the 30-minute, cover, cover, cover. That was pretty much it. Nice and simple. And again, there was opportunity to reshort into this rally. Right? Here. It's not letting me select them. So here's our wall. Right? About halfway, boom, the market fails. Caught the 8 on the 15-minute. When we talk about the fractal nature of the model, if you go to a smaller time frame, you go to the 5-minute. And boom, covered into this pi location here. You get the 5-minute cycle back up, you fail at the bands, the underside of the 30, perfect place to make a lower high. And yet again on another fractal layer, you failed at pi on the 1-minute. So just textbook model trading. So, good stuff, guys. Did everybody make money today? Did, right? Yes. Dave, Andrew, a lot of you, Rio, some of you guys took this. You guys all took this, right? Euro Kiwi? Yeah. All right, guys, good stuff to finish the week. I mean, we went 5 for 5 this week in the room. Didn't have any losing sessions. So doesn't get more consistent than that. I got this prop stuff pretty much. Owanda told me I had all the paperwork back, so I'm looking forward to moving some of you guys into that program and we'll start making even more progress. So hopefully that'll be done soon, like next week. It better be. So I'm gonna get with them right now. But all right, guys, well enjoy your weekend and great job this week. On Fridays, take time to review your week, just like we want to review our trades at the end of the after the end of your trade or at the end of the morning. Think back about your week, kind of summarize, go through your trading journal, and just reflect on what it's all the same stuff. If there was stuff that you were still struggling with, or if you came in with some trading goals at the beginning of the week, see how you did on those. And then, write down some things that you want to focus on next week. And Friday is a better time to do that because if you let the weekend go by, next thing you know, Sunday, it's tough to remember what you were doing on Tuesday this week and Wednesday. But do it while it's fresh. And then you can kind of hit the ground running on Sunday night or Monday. All right, guys, but good week overall. So you guys be good. Be safe this weekend. Let me know what you're up to. All right, Rio, welcome. Camille. All right, Dave, buddy, good stuff. Later, Andrew. Oh, and guys, the crypto meeting's at 11 Eastern. So I'll be back on with some of you in an hour. We'll just do a laid back hour session, talk about some stuff. All right, guys, good stuff. I'll catch you later.